Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. Today I am going to explain the concept of pattern of evolution. The pattern of evolution refers to the different ways in which organisms evolve over a time. These patterns help us understand how species develop diversity in their structure, function and adaptation. In simple terms, it explains how species originate, adapt to their environment, and interact with other organisms. There are several important patterns of evolution as follows: convergent evolution, divergent evolution, coevolution, parallel evolution, and adaptive radiation. Let us understand each one with example. The first is convergent evolution. It occurs when unrelated organisms develop similar features because they live in similar environment or face similar challenges. The key points of this convergent evolution are they have different ancestry but similar adaptations, which leads to analogous structure. So main point is same function but different origin. The examples of convergent evolutions are: the first one is wings of birds and their insects. Second is streamlined bodies of shark and dolphins. And third is cactus and euphorbia plants in desert condition. Even though these organisms are not related, they look similar due to environmental pressures. Second pattern of evolution is divergent evolution. This happens when closely related species evolve different traits as they adapt to different environments. Key points are they have common ancestry but different adaptations, and this leads to homologous structure. The main point is the same origin but different function. The examples of divergent evolutions are forelimbs of humans, whales, bats, and horses. And second example is Darwin's finches with different beak shapes. Here, organisms starts from a common ancestor but different over a time. Now, let us understand third pattern of evolution called as coevolution. This occurs when two or more species evolve together and influence each other's evolution. The key points of coevolution are mutual evolutionary influence and often seen in symbiotic relationship. The examples of coevolution are flowering plants and their pollinators like bees. Second example is predator and prey like cheetah and gazelle. This is like an evolutionary partnership or sometimes an arm race. Next is parallel evolution. It occurs when closely related species evolve similar traits independently due to similar environment. Key points of parallel evolution are the species are related and they have similar traits developed independently. Examples are placental mammals and marsupials. Second example is wolf and Tasmanian wolf. Unlike convergent evolution, here the species are related but evolve separately. Finally, we have adaptive radiation. This is the rapid evolution of many species from a single ancestor, each adapted to different ecological niche. Key points of adaptive radiations are they have common ancestor, rapid diversification, and occupation of different niche. The examples of adaptive radiations are Darwin's finches in Galapagos Island, Australian marsupials, and mammals evolving after dinosaurs' extinction. This explains how one species can give rise to many different forms. This table gives information about all patterns of evolution with example.